other squirrel took the chip. Man, look at the squirrel eat the hot Cheeto.
Is it not hot?
That's a hot fry.
Yes.
Oh my God, he's really eating it.
That's crazy.
Oh my God. I have seen it all. Turn it off. I'm vlogging real quick, please.
Okay.
Dang. Move back, honey. Pumpkin.
Right
He coming back for some more. We had.
I think he's going
Where
back.
the chips at?
It's at the park.
Oh, he probably trying to come up here to us.
Oh.
What?
It's right here.
He getting it.
He's smelling it. He's getting it over there too.
Hit him.
It's all over the floor.
He getting it. Hold it. Don't let it drop. Get him. Get him getting it.
Right there.
He eating the chip.
Yes. And when I need the car.
Yeah, he eating it, ain't it?
When I need the car. You see that black car? When I need it.
Oh my God. He is really. I got my record on. I got my recording on.
He ain't coming out.
All right, that's good.